Do you have children who are too selective in terms of food and making it so difficult for you to explore in your cooking skill? Hello everyone, this is Joy Nwaba. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. And if you find this channel interesting, consider to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. In today's video, I am preparing a quick Indomie noodles meal for my children. And to do this, I will be using polo, that's chicken, Indomie, ginger, onion, and my amazing extra virgin olive oil. Do you have children who are too selective in terms of food and making it so difficult for you to explore in your cooking skills? Then this video is for us. Okay, that's my meat. I have already added the ginger, onion to boil the meat, and a pinch of salt because I'm going to be using the spices from the Indomie. I am going to allow the chicken to boil for a few more minutes before adding the Indomie. This is what I am talking about. Can you see how plain the food looks? This is because one of my sons doesn't like seeing carrots or vegetables on his Indomie. So today I decide to cook what he likes. Then I go in with my Indomies. So because of how selective my children are when it comes to food, I always try my best to add chickens in their meals because chicken is a great source of first-class protein. Chicken provides better growth and development to the growing children as it contains lots of amino acids, which helps the children in growing taller and stronger. Chicken is a healthy and a filling options for growing kids. So, my dears, do you have children like this? If you have, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Now I go in with my spices. Then I stir gently. In as much as I am happy because I am preparing what he likes, I am also having my fingers crossed he likes the food. I mean, he eats the food because sometimes, a lot of times, you prepare what they tell you they would like to eat and they won't eat it. Imagine that. A lot of times I cook and I eat my food alone, getting fatter. Notwithstanding, what can we do? Our parents took care of us, so we are obliged to take care of them no matter what. So I add my curry leaf. I got this from my garden. This will add flavor to it, which I'm sure he won't see. Imagine. The food looks somehow. So that is why I say, let me go and add that one, Jerry. Okay guys, the food is almost ready. I will allow it to steam for a few seconds because of the curry leaf in there. And then I'll be all done. Yes, the food is ready. I'm just stirring it up. Okay, lovelies, that will be all from me today. If this video was helpful in any way, please be sure to share with your friends and family and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell for notifications to enable you know when next I upload videos. Also, leave your suggestion on the comment section on what you would like to see in my YouTube videos and what kind of topics you would like me to cover. I'll see you all in my next one. As always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.